Here's an example of a daily routine with several parts. 1. Morning routine. Wake up at 6 a.m., brush teeth and wash face, stretch or do some light exercise, take a shower and get dressed, have breakfast. 2. Work/school routine. Leave home at 7:30 a.m., arrive at work/school by 8 a.m., attend meetings, classes, or work on projects throughout the day, take short breaks to stretch or rest your eyes, have lunch around noon. 3. Afternoon routine. Finish work/school by 5 o'clock p.m., exercise or engage in a hobby for an hour, run errands or complete household chores, spend time with family or friends, have dinner. 4. Evening routine. Relax for an hour before bedtime. Turn off electronic devices and dim the lights, take a warm shower or bath, read a book or listen to music, go to bed at 10 p.m. Remember, your routine may vary depending on your personal preferences, schedule, and lifestyle. The important thing is to create a routine that works for you and helps you accomplish your daily goals while also allowing for relaxation and self-care. Let me elaborate further on each part of the daily routine I provided. 1. Morning routine. The morning routine is designed to help you start your day feeling refreshed and energized. Waking up at a consistent time each day can help regulate your body's sleep-wake cycle, which can improve your overall mood and productivity. Brushing your teeth and washing your face can help you feel clean and refreshed, while stretching or doing light exercise can help wake up your body and prepare you for the day ahead. Taking a shower and getting dressed can help you feel ready to take on the day, and having breakfast can provide you with the energy you need to tackle any tasks or challenges. 2. Work/school routine. The work/school routine is the part of your day where you focus on your tasks and responsibilities. Whether you are attending classes, working on projects, or attending meetings, it's important to stay focused and productive. Taking short breaks throughout the day can help you stay refreshed and avoid burnout, and having lunch around noon can help you refuel and recharge. 3. Afternoon routine. The afternoon routine is the time when you shift gears and focus on other tasks like running errands or completing household chores. Engaging in physical activity or a hobby can help you unwind and reduce stress, while spending time with loved ones can help you stay connected and build relationships. Having dinner is an important part of the routine as it provides you with the nourishment you need to refuel and replenish your energy levels. For evening routine, the evening routine is designed to help you wind down and prepare for a good night's sleep. Taking time to relax and disconnect from electronic devices can help you reduce stress and improve sleep quality. Taking a warm shower or bath can help you relax and prepare for sleep, while reading a book or listening to music can help you unwind and calm your mind. Going to bed at a consistent time each night can help regulate your sleep-wake cycle and improve sleep quality. Overall, having a daily routine can help you stay organized, focused, and productive while also allowing for time to relax and take care of yourself. It's important to create a routine that works for you and your lifestyle, and to be flexible and adaptable when necessary. Here are some additional points to consider when creating a daily routine. 1. Prioritize your most important tasks. When planning your work/school routine, make sure to prioritize the most important tasks first. This will ensure that you have enough time to complete them without feeling rushed or overwhelmed. 2. Schedule breaks throughout the day. Taking breaks throughout the day can help you stay refreshed and avoid burnout. Try to schedule short breaks every few hours to stretch, rest your eyes, or engage in a quick activity that you enjoy. 3. Include physical activity in your routine. Engaging in physical activity can help you stay healthy and reduce stress. Try to include some form of exercise in your daily routine. Whether it's going for a walk, doing yoga, or hitting the gym. 4. Make time for self-care. Self-care is an important part of maintaining good mental health and well-being. Make sure to include some time for self-care in your daily routine, whether it's taking a relaxing bath, reading a book, or practicing meditation. 5. Be flexible and adaptable. Life can be unpredictable, so it's important to be flexible and adaptable when creating a daily routine. If something unexpected comes up, try to adjust your routine accordingly and don't get too stressed out if you need to deviate from your plan. Remember, your daily routine should be something that works for you and helps you accomplish your goals while also allowing for rest and relaxation. Don't be afraid to experiment and make adjustments until you find a routine that works well for you. Additionally, it's important to recognize that everyone's daily routine will look different depending on their individual needs and circumstances. Some people may have more or less work/school responsibilities, different family obligations, or different hobbies and interests. The key is to find a routine that works for you and helps you achieve a balance between productivity and self-care. Certainly, here are some additional tips to consider when creating a daily routine. 1. Set goals. Setting goals for yourself can help you stay motivated and focused. When creating your daily routine, think about what you want to accomplish in the short term and long term. This can help you prioritize your tasks and ensure that you are working toward your goals. 2. Block your time. Blocking your time can help you stay focused and avoid distractions. Try to schedule specific time blocks for different tasks throughout the day. For example, you might schedule 9 to 11 a.m. for work on a project, 12 to 1 p.m. for lunch, and 3 to 4 p.m. for a workout. 3. Create a to-do list. Creating a to-do list can help you stay organized and ensure that you don't forget any important tasks. Write down a list of everything you need to accomplish for the day, and then prioritize the most important tasks at the top of the list. 4. Make time for breaks. taking breaks throughout the day can help you stay energized and focused. Try to take a short break every hour or two to stretch, rest your eyes, or simply take a quick walk around the block. 5. Adjust your routine as needed. Your daily routine should be flexible and adaptable. If you find that certain tasks are taking longer than expected, or if unexpected events come up, be prepared to adjust your routine accordingly. Remember, the key to creating a successful daily routine is to find a balance between productivity and self-care. Make sure to include time for activities that you enjoy, such as hobbies or spending time with loved ones, and prioritize self-care activities like exercise and relaxation. Additionally, be sure to get enough sleep each night and maintain a healthy diet to keep your energy levels up throughout the day. Another important aspect to consider when creating a daily routine is to make sure that it aligns with your overall values and long-term goals. Think about what is most important to you in life and how your daily routine can help you achieve those goals. By staying focused on what truly matters to you, you can create a routine that is meaningful and fulfilling. Finally, remember that creating a daily routine is a process. It may take some time to find a routine that works well for you, so be patient and don't get discouraged if it takes a few tries to get it right. With some experimentation and a willingness to make adjustments as needed, you can create a daily routine that supports your overall health and well-being while also helping you achieve your goals.